Have you ever felt like you're playing a game where the rules were written for someone else? For decades, the American dream had a very specific script. Get a job, contribute 15% to your 401k, and wait 40 years to finally start living. But it's 2026, and for Gen Z and Millennials, that script feels like a ghost story. We're told to save for the future, while the average home price in the US has moved to a galaxy far, far away. We're told to trust the match while watching inflation eat our purchasing power for breakfast. The 401k isn't just a retirement account anymore. For many of us, it feels like a 40-year prison sentence for our money. But there's a quiet revolution happening. It's called lifestyle investing. It's the realization that we don't want to be rich at 65 if it means being broke and miserable at 25. Today, we're looking at why the 401k is losing its crown, why the Roth IRA has become the ultimate survival tool, and how you can pivot your strategy to actually enjoy your life while you build your empire. Let's be real. The 401k was a great invention for the 1980s, but back then you could buy a house for 3 times your salary. Today, it's more like 10. When you lock your money in a traditional 401k, you're making a bet. You're betting that your taxes will be lower in 40 years, spoiler, they probably won't be, and that you won't need that cash for a house, a business, or an emergency before you turn 59 and a half. The biggest trap is the lack of liquidity. If you're a beginner in the US right now, your biggest hurdle isn't retirement, it's the cost of entry to adulthood. This is why Gen Z is pivoting. Enter the Roth IRA. In 2026, the IRS bumped the limit to $7,500. Why is everyone obsessed with it? Because the Roth IRA is the Swiss Army knife of finance. Unlike the 401k, where your money is behind a break glass in case of 10% penalty door, the Roth IRA allows you to withdraw your contributions, the money you put in, at any time for any reason, tax and penalty free. Think about what that means for a first-time home buyer. You can use your Roth IRA as a backup emergency fund, or even put up to $10,000 of the earnings towards a first home purchase after 5 years. You aren't just saving for a retirement home in Florida, you're saving for a front door in 2028. But it's more than just the rules, it's the psychology. Millennials and Gen Z have lived through once-in-a-century financial crises every 4 years. We've seen that the future isn't guaranteed. We want control. A 401k often limits you to a handful of boring mutual funds chosen by your HR department. A Roth IRA, it's the Wild West. You can buy individual stocks, ETFs, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs. It's the difference between being a passenger in a bus and being the driver of a Tesla. So if the 401k is dying, what is taking its place? It's a philosophy called lifestyle investing. Traditional investing asks, how much can I hoard so I can stop working one day? Lifestyle investing asks, how can I invest so I can live the life I want today? For everyday people in the US, this means moving away from blind accumulation and moving towards cash flow and flexibility. Instead of maxing out a 401k to get a tiny tax break you won't see for decades, lifestyle investors are hitting the employer match because free money is still free money, but then they're aggressively funding taxable brokerage accounts and high-yield savings. Why? Because liquidity is the new rich. If a real estate opportunity comes up, maybe a duplex where you can house hack, you can't pull that money out of your 401k without a massive tax penalty and a mountain of paperwork. But if that money is in a brokerage or a Roth, you have optionality. Lifestyle investing is about buying back your time in micro-retirements. It's about building a portfolio that allows you to take a sabbatical at 35 or transition to a dream career at 30, rather than grinding for a gold watch at 67. It's practical, it's emotional, and honestly, it's the only way to stay sane in this economy. We're seeing a massive shift into real estate through platforms that allow fractional ownership. Beginners who can't afford a $500,000 mortgage are putting $5,000 into rental properties to get a monthly check. That $50 a month in dividends might not seem like much, but it pays for your internet, and your gym membership, and your car insurance. That is lifestyle investing in action, solving today's problems with tomorrow's assets. To understand how to pivot, you have to meet Sarah. She's 28, living in a high-cost city like Austin or Charlotte. She's been doing everything right. She's contributing 10% to her 401k because her HR handbook said so. But every night, she feels a knot in her stomach. Why? Because while her 401k says she might be a millionaire in 2062, her car just broke down, her rent just went up $200, and she feels like she's suffocating today. She's paper rich in the future and cash poor right now. I sat down with her and said, "Sarah, you're building a bridge to a destination you might not even want to visit in 40 years while your current house is on fire." We looked at her 401k. She had $15,000 in there, but when she needed $3,000 for that car repair and a deposit on a cheaper apartment, she couldn't touch it without a massive tax penalty and a mountain of paperwork. She felt trapped by her own savings. That is the moment Sarah realized the old way was designed for people with stability we just don't have in 2026. We tore up the old map and built her a lifestyle roadmap. We shifted her focus from accumulation to accessibility. Within 6 months, she wasn't just saving, she was breathing. She wasn't just waiting for 65, she was building a life at 28. Phase 1, the free money filter. If you're an everyday person in the US, the first step is simple, the employer match. I call this the only free lunch in America. If your company matches up to 4%, you give them 4%. Not 5, not 10, just 4. That is an immediate 100% return. If you don't take it, you're literally handing your boss back part of your salary. But once you hit that match, we stop. Why? Because every dollar after that is better spent in accounts where you have the keys, not your employer. In 2026, corporate loyalty is a myth. Your investment strategy should reflect that. If you leave your job tomorrow, your 401k stays behind in a rollover limbo. We want money that moves with you. Phase 2, the Roth IRA fortress. Now we take the rest of that 10 or 15% and we dump it into a Roth IRA. In 2026, the contribution limit is your best friend. Why is this the Gen Z survival tool? Because of the contribution withdrawal rule. Unlike a 401k, the money you personally put into a Roth IRA can be taken out at age 22, 30, or 45, tax-free and penalty-free. Think of it as an emergency fund on steroids. If Sarah needs that $3,000 for her car, she can pull it from her Roth IRA contributions without a 10% IRS slap. Plus, for those of you dreaming of your first home, the IRS allows you to pull up to $10,000 of earnings after 5 years for a first-time home purchase. You aren't just saving for a nursing home in Florida, you're building your down payment in a tax-sheltered vault. Phase 3, building the lifestyle bridge. This is where the lifestyle investing magic happens. Most financial advisors hate this, but in 2026, a standard taxable brokerage account is your most powerful weapon. We call this the bridge account. Why? Because life doesn't happen at 59 and a half. Life happens at 32 when you want to start a business. It happens at 35 when you want to take a 6-month sabbatical to travel with your kids. If all your wealth is in retirement accounts, you're not an investor, you're a hostage. By diversifying not just what you own, but when you can access it, you become untouchable. The U.S. economy in 2026 is volatile. Housing is expensive, jobs are changing. But by following this roadmap, match, Roth, bridge, cash flow, you're not just surviving, you're winning a game that everyone else is still playing by 1980s rules. You're doing it for yourself, for your family, and for the life you deserve to live right now. Sarah did it, I did it, and you're gonna do it too. The old way is gone, but your future is just starting. If you're ready to stop hoarding and start living, hit that subscribe button. Join the Dishku Investing community as we master the 2026 economy together. Comment freedom below if you're choosing the Roth IRA this year.